While the tech world buzzes over the new iPad Pro M4 and iPad Air M2, excitement is mounting for the anticipated iPad Mini 7. Although this model was absent from recent announcements, its absence has left fans eagerly speculating about upcoming features and upgrades. Let's explore what to expect from the iPad Mini 7 and whether it will be a must-have device or just another incremental update. Starting with the camera, iPads, including the iPad Mini, have not been particularly celebrated for their photography capabilities. The current iPad Mini 6 features a 12MP rear camera and a 12MP ultra-wide front-facing camera. The iPad Mini 7 is expected to introduce minor enhancements, possibly incorporating software upgrades such as the Photonic Engine, ProRes video recording, audio zoom, and portrait mode with lighting effects. When it comes to storage, Apple has historically maintained a conservative approach. The iPad Mini 7 will likely retain the 64GB base model, along with a 256GB variant. While there may not be drastic changes in storage options, users can hope for improved choices in future iterations. In terms of design, the iPad Mini 6 introduced a sleek, boxy design that is expected to continue in the iPad Mini 7. Minor adjustments and new color options are anticipated, possibly inspired by the iPhone 15 lineup, including shades like black, blue, green, and pink. There is speculation about the introduction of cool colors such as yellow or deep red. One of the most exciting potential upgrades is a switch from an LCD to an OLED display. Reports indicate that Samsung is developing an OLED panel specifically for the iPad Mini at Apple's request, although this panel may not feature the advanced tandem OLED technology seen in the latest iPad Pro models. Additionally, Apple is reportedly addressing the jelly scrolling issue that has frustrated users of the current model. Battery life remains a strong point for the iPad Mini series, and the Mini 7 is expected to follow suit. While its compact size limits battery capacity, optimizations may enable it to match or slightly exceed the current model's 8-hour usage. Under the hood, rumors suggest the iPad Mini 7 could feature an upgraded processor, potentially the A16 or A17 Pro chip. While it may not receive an M chip, the inclusion of an A17 would place it on par with the iPhone 15 Pro models, offering impressive performance in a compact device. Pricing for the iPad Mini 7 is yet to be determined but is expected to align closely with its predecessor, starting around $499 for the Wi-Fi model and $649 for the Wi-Fi Plus cellular version. However, significant upgrades could result in a price increase. As for the release date, predictions vary, with some analysts suggesting a launch in October 2024. While some excitement surrounded the rumors of new models in October 2023, these did not materialize. In conclusion, whether you should wait for the iPad Mini 7 depends on your current device and needs. If you own an older iPad or seek a more compact tablet, this upcoming model may prove to be a valuable upgrade. Let us know your thoughts on what features you hope to see.